What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here with a brand new unboxing for you. Before you get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed. That's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. I don't want to take too much of your time, so let's jump right into the unboxing itself. All right, so we've got kind of a light box here. It does have a battery warning, so this does have a battery in it, apparently. No other indications of what this might be, so let's just get right into it. I've got my handy dandy knife right here, so we're not going to go to the table. We're going to open this up right here, and we are going to see what we got today. You guys know me, I unbox pretty much everything I receive. Companies love to send me random stuff just to see what I think of it, I absolutely have been really enjoying being able to review these types of products. Everything tech related is fun to me, so whenever I can actually check out cool new stuff, I'm excited for it. So let's see what we got today. Let's see. We have lots of paper and one very small package for a very large box. This is a very small package. And this seems to be a air tag from the company ANNNWZZD. You can take a look at that yourself there. That is the name of the company there. And this supports Apple's Find My Eye. Very nice to see. We can look at the back here and see what's going on behind there. Basically says it works just like an Apple AirTag, and don't eat it. So yeah, definitely don't eat the AirTag because you will choke or you will die. Okay, so let's go in and open up the product itself and take a look, because AirTags are super useful. If you don't want to lose your pet, put an AirTag on their collar when you go out. If you don't want to lose your luggage, put an AirTag on your luggage when you go out. They're super useful. It's great that Apple is now certifying other companies to allow them to make AirTags using the same technology. I've even seen this technology built into certain products, such as wallets and handbags and things like that. So that's really cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. So we're going to pull this out here. Oh, I dropped one. Okay, so we've got a manual. So the Finder manual, all that information. And then, let me put this back in. We've got two AirTags, one black and one white. And we have key rings for them as well, individual key rings, one black and one white as well. Very cool. Let's go ahead and pull these out. So small form factor, just like any other AirTag. You can see that they have a button on them, right, for pairing. You can hear it when it's ready to pair. I'm going to go ahead and open up my iPhone, and I'm going to open the Find My app. So Find My app. Turn on send last location, of course, and we're going to click on add devices on the left hand or on the right hand side here, that little plus button. So we're going to choose add other item. So we'll go ahead and hit add other item there, and now it is searching for items, and it found a tag. So let's go ahead and connect that tag and enter a name. So tag 1. And now if you want to see which one it's connected to, you can play a sound and it will connect, and we can see that this is the white one that is actually attached. So now we can add another item. So add other item, and while it's searching for them, if it doesn't show up, just hold that button down so it makes a sound again, and it found it. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect, enter a name, and now this one's connected, and if I play a sound, we are good to go. So yeah, thank you so much to ANNNWZZD. I say ANNNWZZD, but these are very cool, super useful to have. I can't recommend AirTags and these types of products enough, and they are very inexpensive as well. So I'll put a link in the description below so you can check them out yourself, and thanks for watching. Peace.
eyes. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.